Morning, day 19, fabric and page tab. So this is a fairly easy one, I guess. So I've already pre-sewn my animal of the day, which is my flamingo, onto a piece of fabric. So that makes that nice and easy. And then what I've done is just pulled some fabric out that I've already used in the journal. That was on the front cover. That was part of our postcard one. That's about it. I do have some other pieces here that are sort of blends, but what I'm going to do is just do a plain fabric tab and have a tab hanging out the side as well. So I'm just going to put these fabrics together, how I think they'll look okay, and leave this down the bottom. So that will be my very bottom one, will sit in there like that. And then what I was thinking is I can have my tab coming out the side like this, and that will sort of tie in with what's on the front cover as well. So I thought that would look quite nice. So let me just have a little play around and I'll come back and show you what I did. So I've put it together, and I think I'm going to attach it to the page using this big paper clip because I think that will hold it in place. So I'm just going to loosely sew that on the back. Well, secure it in a few places. So what I've decided to do is cover the page with fabric as well, just to reiterate the theme, I guess. And I have this handkerchief here that I rust dyed when I did my rust dyeing. Excuse me, my voice has gone croaky again. This one here. So I thought I'd just stick that on the page to hide a little bit of those blue squares. I'll let that dry, and then I'll be back to show you my put together fabric and tab. So this is the back of my fabrics, and I've just roughly sewn that big paper clip on. So let's just have a flip through. We've got the ribbon that was a little while back and some rust dyed fabric. We've got the brown that was maybe day 4 or 5. We've got the hessian that I've used quite a bit through the journal. This was on the postcard one, and so was this. The animal of the day is the flamingo, so I've sewn that on to some fabric. And then there's the fabric tag, which matches the lace or trim that is on the front of the journal. So yeah, that was all the different ones that I've had all throughout the journal that I've used. I've just roughly sewn those on, and there we have it, all done and finished. So there's my fabric page that I ended up making, my tab sticking out the side, and all my samples of fabric that I've used in my journal that I explained before. But yeah, I'm really happy with how that turned out. It looks lovely. I love having fabric pages in my journal. I think they're really sweet. Lots of different bits and pieces there. And of course the flamingo. As I explained, that's my animal of the day. So yeah. Alright, I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys do. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.